Hey guys, this is Doug Gaming here, and today I'm going to be doing my first episode of Road to Shotgun. And got a few kills on the shotgun, and I did a failed recording because for some reason it wasn't recording the actual gameplay. And it was a failed game anyway. I mean, I was trying to use this KSG, which I thought I could do at least decent at, but of course, knowing me, who's not that good at this game, nope. So let's go ahead and hop in the match. Hopefully it's a Nuketown game or a close quarters match so I can at least get close and kill some people. I'll be using the Executioner as a secondary weapon because it's a shotgun. I mean, I never said it couldn't have pistols.
Hostile hunter-killer drone inbound. We're losing this fight. Team deathmatch. Good news. The
29-29 must be.
Go time. We're winning
must be
this
good.
fight.
We must be good. Ooh, clutch. To rush in here real quick. Get out.
We've lost the lead.
Get out of here. No, don't even mess with me.
UAV awaiting orders.
Ooh. I don't want to say I haven't died once, but I will die.
Friendly UAV inbound. RCXD
Let's use this bad boy. No, sneaking around. We have to sneak around. The sneaking around. Oh, come on. No, I have to get up to somebody before this thing explodes, or I die. Did I die? Oh my gosh. I knew it. Let's go ahead and get this.
Hostile care package inbound.
I had to do that, man. They were gonna. No! Oh, come on! What? I thought that was like to the bottom of the map. Well, that was a fail. Fail. What? Oh, this isn't gonna be a good match now. Obi. No, don't mess with my hood, my neighborhood. No. Yes. I should I come back? Somebody's in here, isn't there? Aren't they?
Timeline is in jeopardy. Be
Wait, what'd he kill me
advised,
with?
hostile
He killed
hunter-killer
me with
drone
this
inbound.
same gun I picked up.
Hostile UAV above.
10-5. I'm still doing good. Obi. Marker. Ooh, kill him. Alright, he's gonna die. Get at him. Oh snap, dude! He would have got the last kill cam. Oh dang. Ooh, that was close. This is a good game. MLG Century. GG indeed. See if we can hop in another. Let's go ahead and hop in a. Well, actually, yeah, let's go ahead. Gotta keep moving, man. I'll stick with the camo we have. It's good. I don't think you can get those gun camos unless they did something to where like you get it in anyway. Cause I remember when I got Elite, before they took Elite down for some reason. So that's good. It's a good camo, to be honest, but I don't like it as much because I overused it on the PlayStation when it came out. I had no DLC camos or anything, or any DLC at all. So that's why it's overused for me. It is a good game, like I said. Especially on this. I mean, it just looks like bacon. You don't need the bacon camo when you got this. No. No connection. Please don't be that kind of lobby.
We've taken control.
Good. They'll distract him when I run around. He's dead.
Be okay.
Right here.
Got a kill.
Oh! Get out of here.
That's another kill.
Get out of here. Okay, I might have to actually use this gun more often. I mean, I use the LMG when I'm not recording. Since I'm really good at that gun, and I never used that before. Neither have that shotgun I used.
Shot out. Cover me, reloading.
What the hide? Push. Did he not see me? Or I think he's just dead. Yeah, he might have saw me. What the? What was that? I was like right behind him too. Like right at his back. About mid-region.
UAV inbound.
Oh, kill him.
Sticky going out. Gotta come back. Got a kill.
Ooh. It's starting to spawn here. Unless we took, I think we took them all out. There we go, yeah.
I'm dry.
Oh.
Throwing smoke.
Care package inbound.
There we go. Just push. Get out of here.
UAV on standby.
This is the best smoke grenade with shotgun. Oh my gosh.
RCXD ready for launch.
Oh my gosh.
Hunter-killer drone ready for deployment.
Low kill streaks
Friendly
equal
stealth
XP.
chopper inbound.
Large kill streaks equal.
Hunter-killer drone deployed.
Oh, we got him too.
Friendly
No,
UAV
somebody else
inbound.
killed me. 8 and 2. All right. No, we're not gonna challenge people over there. Somebody over here? Just acting like there it is. Give me this. Ooh, this is a
Sniper down.
good. Oh, somebody's over here. No, this is my hood. It's my hood. Don't mess with me. Where'd it go? No, connection interrupted. We're in a helicopter. Shotgun. No. This can't be a connection interrupted game. No. I'm good right now. 9-3. I've got a good connection right now.
Friendly
Connection
UAV
interrupted
inbound.
doesn't think so. I shouldn't have chose the RCXD. I don't
Almost
like
complete.
it.
Don't quit now.
I can never find anyone. People always take it out.
Now move.
We are destroying them.
Friendly care package inbound.
Wait, my team is like
Friendly
really good or
hunter-killer
they
drone
really bad.
deployed.
It could be either way. I could be both.
I'm dry.
What the? What was he shooting? I think it's the lag,
Friendly
man. This
orbital
lag.
VSAT online.
Killing everyone. Obi.
Flash. Down and clear. Throw it down.
Oh! Get out of here.
Stitched him up.
Ah, what did he kill me with? I don't even care.
Friendly RCXD inbound.
Get ready to die. Or not.
Brought the pain.
Alright, 11 to
Time
4,
get
good
paid.
game. Good game. We can go for one more match.
Pull the frick.
I might have to start using shotgun. It could be getting gold pretty quick. But diamond could be a while, because that KSG I'm just not a big fan of. Ooh, let me see if I can put that on there. I like that long barrel though. That long barrel. Well, we don't really need that. Open another match. Wait, scorchers. Counter UAV. No, not hardcore. There we go, finally. Hit the right button for once. Frost. I don't like this map too
Team
much though.
deathmatch.
Got those snipers,
Shut
got the
up,
long
clock
range
in and
places.
load
It's
up.
mostly long range map. I mean, if you're
Hostile RCXD in your AO.
hop up. No.
I'm out. Lane tacking, sir.
No.
Jumping off.
What's the score? It's a close game. Get out of here. Should have saved him earlier. No, friendly, no. I'm so friendly after this. What is going on? You gotta hit marker first.
Lane tacking, sir. Get down.
What? Wait, hold on. Did he wallbang me? No, he didn't. No, I think it'll be a good game. What do you see how this playing out? Hello? Cleaning lady?
Friendly UAV inbound.
Ooh, get out of here. At least you don't have to get headshots with this. No, you do for like most guns. Snipers are one hit kill though. Get a one hit kill. Same with shotguns. So really it's not, the headshots are more the difficult ones. LMGs are pretty easy to get headshots on because they're more long range. You got time to look for the head. Yeah, over. This is lagging again. Same. Is this the same lobby or something?
Dropped it.
Good. Ooh, that was a close one.
Reloading.
Let me see it. What I'm done with him.
Jumping off.
Get out of here, dude. This is so awesome.
Shot out.
Double kill. Oh no! Close to the AV.
Mission almost complete. Don't
Alright,
quit
maybe it
now.
is gonna be a better game. Just gotta sneak around. People ain't paying attention, yo. No.
He's gone.
Dude, him and me were looking around for each other like, where you at? We had no idea where I was. I was like, trolling him just then. I'm not doing it. Challenging in here.
Dropped it.
Crap, the sniper. I don't like this good. Friendly? Yeah, final kill cam.
Operation complete. Nice job, grunts.
Where'd I go? 12 and 10, and 12 and 5.
Single shootout. I've got you.
Colby. Good 3 matches. Those were a good 3 matches, actually. Maybe I'll level up faster. Get some more XP. Decent XP. So, thanks for watching. Let's see what camo we got. Oh, we need one more kill to get to E. You know what? No. I'm gonna get that ERD or EDR or whatever it was. One more kill, and then I'll end the YouTube video. Hopefully, this turns into a popular channel. People start watching it more.
Team deathmatch. Do whatever you need to ensure success.
14, 17. One kill. One kill. One kill. It's gonna challenge. It's gonna challenge.
Ready.
Yes! Well, I got that one kill. That one, that's all I needed. Oh, yeah. I got that new camo. What's next? Siberia? That's a good camo. I like that camo. I wonder what the challenges are for the carbon fire, cherry ball. I know Ronin, or however you pronounce that, it's hard in the sniper rifle because you get to get like 5 double kills or something like that. Maybe they changed it. I don't know. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.